can make someone trust you without saying a word. Yawning isn't just a sign of boredom. It's a powerful psychological tool. When you yawn in front of someone, especially in a tense or guarded environment, their subconscious mind is hardwired to mirror your action. This phenomenon is called contagious yawning, and it's rooted in our primal empathy circuits. When another person mirrors your yawn, it signals their brain recognizes your emotional state and is subtly aligning with you. This micro moment of shared vulnerability melts defenses, creating an immediate, unspoken bond of trust. Here's how to use it. In a conversation, wait for a natural lull and let out a slow, genuine yawn. Don't exaggerate. Watch as the person across from you catches it. Their mirrored yawn is a sign their guard is dropping. Suddenly, your words carry more weight. You become more relatable, more human. This is the art of controlled yawning, an invisible handshake that opens the door to empathy and influence. The shift has begun. Stop being the pattern. Become the observer. Subscribe to CogniShift and check out our guide, Secrets of the Subconscious. Link in bio.